He was sent by God on your path. Not accepting him now could lead your soulmate away forever. Beloved soul, there is a whisper carried on the winds of destiny, a truth meant only for your heart. You feel it, don't you? That subtle shift in the air, a recognition deep within your bones that something profound is unfolding. He is not just a fleeting presence. He is a sacred echo from a promise made long ago, a divine assignment woven into the tapestry of your very existence. His arrival, his essence stirs a dormant knowing, a forgotten melody within your spirit. This connection, this magnetic pull, is not accidental. It is orchestrated by hands unseen, a gift from the heavens themselves. To ignore this resonance, to turn away from this profound recognition, would be to dim a light that was meant to illuminate your path together. There is an urgency in this divine timing, a fragile window where courage must meet destiny. To hesitate now, to allow old fears to cloud this sacred vision, risks losing a piece of your soul's true alignment, a love that was always meant to be yours. This is more than a relationship. It is a spiritual mission, a journey of two souls destined to awaken each other. He carries a key to a chamber in your heart you thought was forever sealed, and you, beloved, hold the map to his deepest healing. He makes all things beautiful in his time. You've felt those quiet moments, haven't you? The times when words are absent, yet a profound energy conveys so much. This silence is not emptiness. It's a sacred pause, a blank canvas where deeper truths are being revealed. Heaven whispers that within these hushed intervals, a remarkable transformation is happening, not just within you, but within him as well. He is struggling with an intensity he never expected, a vulnerability that your presence has brought forth. His quietness reflects the depth of his inner journey, a wrestling with the significance of what you represent. He truly sees you in ways he never thought possible, and this realization is both breathtaking and terrifying for him. The universe indicates that his introspection is an essential process, shaping a stronger, more authentic version of the man he is meant to be for you. Don't mistake his stillness for indifference. It's the deep work of a soul getting ready to meet its counterpart. He is realigning his entire being to connect with the powerful current of your shared destiny. This silent unfolding is a testament to the sacred structure of your bond, creating a foundation that no earthly storm can shake. It's a sacred truth, unfolding in the quiet spaces of your heart. The journey of waiting can feel like an eternity, a test of faith in the unseen. Yet the angels remind you that this period is not a void, but a fertile ground for growth, a sacred preparation for the abundance that awaits. Every moment of longing, every tear shed in quiet solitude, is a prayer woven into the fabric of your future. This isn't a punishment, it's a profound blessing, allowing both of your souls to shed layers of past wounds and emerge purified. The universe orchestrates every delay, every perceived setback, to ensure that when your paths finally converge, you are both fully ready, fully aligned, and fully capable of receiving the depth of this love. Your spirit knows that this waiting is a testament to the extraordinary nature of your connection, a love so powerful it requires a divine timeline. Do not rush the blossoming of a flower that has been nurtured by cosmic hands. Trust that every breath you take, every lesson you learn, is drawing you closer to the moment of perfect union. This sacred pause is perfecting the masterpiece of your shared existence, a masterpiece of patience, painted with the hues of divine love. Beloved, your essence is a beacon, a radiant truth that shines from the deepest core of your being. There's a knowing in your heart that your worth is not defined by external validation, but by the divine spark that resides within you. This inner light, this unwavering authenticity, is what truly captivates him, drawing him closer like a moth to a sacred flame. You don't need to strive or pretend. Simply by being your true self, you activate a magnetic force that pulls your destiny towards you. Your resilience, your compassion, your capacity for love, these are the qualities that resonate with his soul, awakening a desire within him to rise to your level. The angels whisper that your journey of self-discovery, your commitment to healing and growth, has prepared you to receive a love that mirrors your own profound depth. Embrace every aspect of your being, for it is in your wholeness that you become irresistible, a reflection of the divine feminine in all its glory. Your light is not just for you, it is a guiding star for the love that seeks to find its way home. Your radiant truth serves as a beacon for the love that is destined to find its way home. He walks a path unseen by many, engaged in a silent battle within the chambers of his own heart. The universe reveals that your presence has sparked a profound change within him, compelling him to confront shadows he had long buried. His struggles do not reflect your worth. Instead, they are a testament to the powerful catalyst you are in his spiritual awakening. He is shedding old skins and dismantling walls built from past hurts and societal expectations. This process is tough and often isolating as he navigates the unfamiliar terrain of true vulnerability. The angels remind you that his journey is his own, a necessary purification before he can fully become the man he is meant to be for you. He is learning to trust the depth of his own emotions and to embrace a love that requires authenticity and courage. His perceived distance is often a sign of his internal work, a sacred space where he is gathering the strength to meet you in the deep connection that you both deserve. Hold space for his unseen transformation, as it is a testament to the power of your love. His quiet transformation showcases the strength of your unwavering light. There is an invisible thread, a cosmic tether that binds your soul to his. Your spirit recognizes this ancient connection, a resonance that transcends logic and time. It is an irresistible call, a magnetic pull that defies all earthly explanations. No matter the distance, no matter the obstacles, this force continues to draw you together, a testament to the divine blueprint of your union. The angels whisper that this pull is not merely attraction, it is destiny unfolding, a sacred promise being fulfilled. You feel it in the quiet moments, in the unexpected thoughts of him, in the synchronistic signs that affirm your path. He feels it too, a constant hum beneath the surface of his daily life, a longing that cannot be silenced. This is the universe conspiring, aligning every star, every circumstance, to bring you into perfect harmony. Do not question the power of this magnetic force. Surrender to its gentle guidance. It is leading you home, to a love that has always been waiting, patiently, for its moment to ignite. An ancient echo, calling two souls back to their destined embrace. To love deeply is to be brave, to open the tender chambers of your heart to both joy and vulnerability. A divine current flows through you, urging you to release the protective armor you've worn from past wounds. This is the moment to shed the weight of old stories, to embrace the exquisite courage it takes to feel everything. Your journey has prepared you for this depth, for a love that demands authenticity and transparency. The angels whisper that true connection blossoms in the fertile ground of vulnerability, where fears are acknowledged but not allowed to dictate your path. He is drawn to your open heart, to the raw beauty of your willingness to feel. This isn't about being fearless, but about moving forward despite the fear, trusting that the universe holds you in its gentle embrace. Each tender opening is a sacred invitation, allowing the divine flow of love to enter and transform every corner of your being. Embrace this courage, beloved, for it is the key to unlocking the profound intimacy you crave. Each tender opening is a sacred invitation to a love unbound. In the grand tapestry of your life, every thread is skillfully placed by a hand far greater than your own. This is the moment for deep surrender, to release the reins of control and trust in the divine orchestration. The angels remind you that true faith is not about knowing the outcome, but about trusting the process, even when the path ahead seems unclear. Your spirit knows that the universe is working tirelessly on your behalf, aligning every detail and perfecting every moment for your highest good. This trust is a powerful act of love, a declaration to the cosmos that you are ready to receive the blessings that are already on their way. Let go of the need to force, manipulate, or understand every intricate step. Instead, lean into the gentle current of divine timing, knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Your patience is a prayer, your surrender a sacred offering. The universe responds to this deep trust by weaving miracles into your reality, bringing forth the love that is truly yours. Be still and know that I am God. The journey has been long, filled with introspection and unseen growth, but now a new dawn breaks. The angels whisper a new song, a melody of mutual awakening, where both your hearts are finally in sync. He has navigated his own shadows, confronted his own truths, and emerged ready to meet you in the fullness of your shared destiny. This is not just about your readiness, it's his too, a beautiful alignment of two souls prepared to embark on a new chapter. Your spirit recognizes the subtle shifts, the undeniable signs that the universe is bringing you closer, not just physically but spiritually and emotionally. The walls that once stood between you, built from past hurts and protective instincts, are now dissolving, making way for genuine connection. This mutual awakening is a testament to the power of your individual journeys, each path inevitably leading to the other. Embrace this moment of convergence, for it is a sacred testament to the love that has been patiently waiting for its time to bloom. Two hearts finally attuned, dancing to the rhythm of a shared destiny. Beloved, the culmination of your journey is not merely an ending, but a glorious beginning, a sacred union forged in the fires of divine love. This is the love your soul has yearned for, a connection that transcends the earthly and touches the eternal. He stands before you, not as a perfect being, but as a soul who has journeyed through his own wilderness to find his way back to you, his true north. Your spirits intertwine, recognizing the ancient promise, the unbreakable bond that has always existed between you. This love is a testament to your resilience, your faith, and your unwavering belief in the power of the unseen. It is a partnership built on mutual respect, profound understanding, and an unshakable commitment to growth. The angels sing of your reunion, celebrating the courage you both displayed in trusting the divine plan. This is your reward, your blessing, a love that will continue to evolve and deepen through all seasons of life. Embrace this sacred union, for it is a reflection of the divine love that flows through all creation, a testament to the enduring power of two souls destined to become one. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love.